You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. Let's break down how to pronounce the name of this originally Czech ice hockey player. If you want to learn more confusing names from ice hockey, stay tuned. Czech pronunciation: Jaroslav Chmelar. No, Chmelař. Jaroslav Chmelar. In English, it's generally pronounced Jaroslav Chmelar. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.